what's your good name?
Yes, my name is Zubair Shah.
And could you tell me about your daily introduction, please?
My name is Zubair Shah. My father's name is Kamil Shah. I read in class 5. My favorite personality is Imran Khan. Thank you.
Excellent, fabulous, glorious. The third question, last, could you tell me about your daily routine? What do you do? For example, first you get up early in the morning, so what do you do first?
I get up early in the morning. Then I make a mission. I open the Fajr prayer. Then I take bath. I take breakfast. I go to school.
Thank you so much. My last question from you. Everybody has got his own ambition of life. So what do you want to be in future?
I want to be a doctor.
Why? What's the reason?
It is very good profession.
Excellent. Clapping for you. Very good.